Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of high-performance vehicles. Today, we're excited to bring you a comprehensive review of the 2024 Ferrari Purosangue. This is Ferrari's first SUV, and we're here to give you all the details you need to know. So, let's get started. The 2024 Ferrari Purosangue is a game-changer. With its sleek design, powerful engine, and advanced technology, it's a vehicle that's sure to turn heads on the road. Let's get started. Exterior. The Purosangue features a unique design that blends the best of both worlds, the sleek lines of a sports car and the ruggedness of an SUV. As you can see, the Purosangue has a bold and aggressive stance, with a low-slung profile and a prominent grille. The LED headlights are sleek and modern, and the 22-inch aluminum wheels add a touch of sophistication. But it's not just about looks. The Purosangue is also designed to be functional, with a generous ground clearance and a robust suspension system that can handle even the toughest terrain. Interior. Now let's take a look inside. The Purosangue's interior is a masterclass in luxury and comfort. The seats are designed to cradle you in comfort, with adjustable lumbar support and a range of settings to customize your driving experience. The dashboard is sleek and modern, with a range of high-tech features like a touchscreen infotainment system and a heads-up display. Performance. Under the hood, the Purosangue packs a punch with its naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. This engine produces 715 horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the market. And with its advanced transmission system, the Purosangue can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. But the Purosangue is more than just a powerful engine. It's also designed to be a thrill to drive. With its advanced suspension system and precise steering, the Purosangue can carve through corners with ease and precision. And with its advanced safety features, like lane departure warning and blind spot detection, you can drive with confidence and peace of mind. Safety features. Safety is a top priority for Ferrari, and the Purosangue is no exception. With its advanced safety features, like autonomous emergency braking and adaptive cruise control, the Purosangue is designed to protect you and your passengers in the event of an accident. And with its robust construction and advanced materials, the Purosangue is built to withstand even the toughest conditions. Pricing and availability. So, how much will the Purosangue set you back? The starting price is around $398,350, making it one of the most exclusive SUVs on the market. But trust us, it's worth every penny. With its unique design, powerful engine, and advanced technology, the Purosangue is a vehicle that's sure to turn heads and leave you feeling like a king. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Before you go, click here to watch our in-depth review of the 2024 Alfa Romeo Stradale. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Until next time, drive safe.